Hi, I'm Wilhelmina McCarroll.
And I'm Fleur Sibbel, and we are the Zuster sisters.
When I design, I always start with a theme, and this one was romantic elegance. And when I thought of romantic elegance, I was thinking of, linen curtains blowing in the wind, beautiful dresses, perhaps a little bit of a twist on traditional in a modern sort of a form. Why shouldn't the bathroom be just as beautiful as the furniture you have in your bedroom? We don't actually have to have basic furniture in our bathrooms that are just functional and boring, when we can have something really beautiful like we do in our beds and bedside tables and that sort of thing. So I think it's really important that we actually elevate the bathroom to a much better and more functional space. We really want to bring romance back into the bathroom. So we've achieved this by elevating the unit off the ground and giving it a nice soft curve in every single aspect.
The ISSY Cloud is a real celebration of curves. We have the curves on the edge of the vanity, we have the timber beading with its curved profile, and we also have the Corian top has a bullnose edge, which is a first for the ISSY Zuster collection. Our manufacturing is very much a blend of craftsmanship with technology and innovation. So Willie comes with these really elaborate designs and details that she's very passionate about, and then we work with our manufacturing team to be able to achieve those details at a very high standard. So with Cloud we've been able to offer a lot more basin options. The vanity is much deeper, which means we can do deeper basins. We also offer semi-inset, so we have a higher vanity for that, and the semi-inset sits into the vanity, but it's not compromising storage because there's such deep drawers.
Designing this range, I've just sort of worked on how do I get ready in the morning. You start with your cleanser, your moisturiser, your makeup, and if everything's in a sequence, it's actually really efficient getting ready in the morning. You just want everything at your fingertips. If you've got that sort of airy, day spa kind of a feel, I think the lighter colours really work in beautifully with that. Whereas with the darker colours, they give it a really moody kind of a feel, which can also be beautiful if you add a little bit of colour or even go really, really dark and give it a really great mood feel.
We've also introduced Silver Birch, which is a Corian bench top. It's a very light terrazzo finish, very fresh and bright. And Pecan, which is a great blend between the hazelnut finish that we've had and the charcoal oak, so it's offering a new point of difference in finishes. My favourite feature of the Cloud vanity is the beaded timber fronts and the rounded corners, but I absolutely love the storage. I love that there's so much storage inside. I've got a lot of bathroom products and I can fit everything in.
My favourite feature of the Cloud vanity are the tapered legs. It makes it look like a complete furniture piece in the bathroom.